Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva for typing. First, open Canva and either select a pre-made template or start with a blank canvas. On the left side of your screen, you will find the Text tab. Click on it to reveal various text options. You can choose to add a heading, a subheading, or a small body of text to begin your design. It's a straightforward process to get your words onto the page. Once your text is on the canvas, click on the text box to bring up the editing toolbar at the top. Here, you have many options to customize your text. You can choose from hundreds of font styles to match your aesthetic. Easily adjust the font size, making it larger or smaller, and select any color from the extensive palette to make your words pop. Canva offers fantastic text effects to elevate your design. You can add shadows, outlines, or even curve your text for a dynamic look. Fine-tune the letter spacing and line height to ensure optimal readability. Utilize the alignment tools to perfectly position your text on the canvas. For complex layouts, group several text boxes together to move and resize them as one unit. When your design is complete, it's time to save and share your masterpiece. Locate the Share button in the top right corner of your screen. You can download your design in various formats, such as PNG for high-quality images, JPG for smaller file sizes, or PDF for documents. You also have the option to share your creation directly to social media platforms or send it via email.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.